Hi berries! Welcome to Berry Gems, where you can find your best beauty. Berry Gems is here to help you. In the previous video, many wives were asking about makeup tutorials. I can't let you down, so let's get started quickly. Quickly apply a foundation. Soften our contours a bit. As for the eyeshadow, the detailed tutorial is on the homepage. For the nose tip, draw a V. If you want a detailed guide, check the homepage. Then draw a small 8 above. In the middle, narrow the nose wings on both sides. Narrow the nose wings. Apply some powder and draw a line. Check the nose bridge, okay? Then, dip a large brush in a light color. Blend it on your hand. Place it directly on our nasal bridge. It's like a large C. Press it directly in a tapping motion. See? The curvature of this big C comes out. Then transition to the sides of our eye sockets. Blend it to create a gradient. Blend it to diffuse. Blend it and open it up. During the nose contouring, it might look messy, but it's okay. When we highlight later, it won't look messy. Be bold in your strokes. Then blend it. Blend the nose tip. For the nose bridge, go down on both sides. Go down on both sides and towards the bottom. Make sure to blend it. Then take a smaller brush. Dip it in a darker shade. On your hand, swipe and swipe. In the middle of our nasal bridge, intensify. Enhance it near the nasal bridge. Near the nasal bridge, intensify the small C. Similarly on the other side. Intensify the small C. Let the big brush blend it. Then move towards the center. Now, it might seem too dark, which is normal. For a camera-ready look, you need to apply more, right? You want to make it a bit heavier. Darken the tip of the nose. In makeup, you can't expect the same result every time. Then take a clean highlighting brush. Dip in matte highlighter on our nasal bridge. After that, clean up the messy areas. Also, add a bit to the nose tip. Now, let's touch up those messy areas. Add a bit to the nose tip. Add a bit to the bridge and inner corners. Add a bit to the eye corners. Extend it to the eye sockets. Draw a line between the eyes and eyebrows. Then add a bit to the nasal bridge. Gently blend. See how shiny it is? Also, I'm drawing the nostrils. This style of nostril is only suitable for photos, not recommended for daily wear. As for eyebrows, a slightly feathery look, but it's very simple. Just need an eyebrow pencil. Start from the arch of our eyebrow, draw a guideline. See it? Then follow the direction of hair growth. Like this. Fill it in hair by hair. Like this, right? Remember, the tail of the eyebrow is the darkest. See? Fill it in directly. Follow the direction of the line we drew. This is how it looks from above, slanting downwards. Remember, the tail of the eyebrow is the darkest. The head of the eyebrow is the lightest. Understand? Like this. Like this. Then align with our guideline. Where it's missing, fill it in. Add a bit more to the inner part. Then cover up the excess. Use concealer to cover it. Then set the makeup. The two eyebrows won't be the same. That's normal. Don't worry, wives. As long as one isn't in the sky, and one isn't on the ground, it's fine. Next, let's draw our eyeliner. It's super simple. Start with this light color. Apply it broadly on our eyelids. Also, apply it below the eyes. Use this color to blend under the eyes. Then, with the light color again, start from our eye from the base of the eyelashes, and gradually blend upwards. Start from one end, and slowly blend upwards. See? Then sweep the remaining powder downwards. Take your concealer. Any concealer will do. Swipe it on your hand. Start from the inner corner, following the lash line. Along the lash line, right? Swipe to the outer corner of our eyes, following the shape of our eyes, like this. Going up like this, the overlay is not enough. Dip again. Slowly move upward like this. Draw to the space between your brows and eyes. Open your eyes halfway or a bit more. Then, set it with matte white. At the back, use the eyeshadow brush we just used to blend it. Because the line here is quite prominent, use the remaining powder to brush forward and blend. You see, the edge is gradually fading. Right. Slightly deepen it. With this color, at the base of our eyelashes here, blend. Then widen our double eyelid. Use this color to draw our lower limbs. Swipe left and right on the back of our hand. Otherwise, the lines you draw may look messy. Use the remaining powder to brush forward from the inner corner, in the middle, then the back half. Next, for the back half, pull it out parallelly. Don't follow the lash line. Smooth it out. Then, with the brush's remaining powder, squint and see if it's good. Draw a shadow line underneath a bit. You see, the epicanthic fold appears. Then, use a flat brush. After dipping in eyeshadow, squint and sweep over it. Use this matte highlighter. Brighten our epicanthic fold. Also, brighten the inner corner while you're at it. After brightening, the demarcation line is less visible. See? Now it's not noticeable. Curl your lashes. Whether your lashes are on the upper or lower side, if you don't curl them, they won't stay layered or curled. Curl them. After that, apply a setting liquid, or they'll collapse. Now, let's do the lower lashes. Start in the middle, then at the outer corner, and at the inner corner. Connect them like a spider web. See? Then, go over it again. After observing the overlay, it forms a shape like a V or Y. Then go towards the middle of it. Like this, add a line to it. Add two lines, and then, add another line in the middle of the two. Just like this. For the eyeliner, lift it from the tail of our eye. And then, from the outer eyeball. Connect a line. Then fill in the triangle in the middle. Then, look at the corner of the eye. Use an eyeliner pen, and draw it directly. Go up a little bit like this. Don't draw too much. Cover it later. One eye corner is done. Cover it. If you draw too much, then, go and apply false eyelashes. See the difference with and without eyelashes. Highlight the brow bone. The blush is a slightly orange toned powder, and a small cotton blush brush. A smaller one on the bridge of the nose. Once the eyebrows are done, you can apply lipstick. Apply a thin layer first. Use a tissue to wipe off the excess. Then, on the edges. Blend it out a bit. Then, on both sides of our lip bead, and the corners of our mouth, darken these areas. Wait for it to blend. Wait for it to blend. See, this three-dimensional lip gloss is done. The colors look different under different lighting. There's a bit of color difference. A bit of color difference. Add a bit of shadow under the lips. Add a few of these small spots on the face. Put on my gold earrings. The most asked about is our hairstyle. Used a hairpiece. It's my own. My hair is styled like this. Then used a real wig piece. Directly clipped onto my hair. Then, bring some hair over here. Then, comb it. Put it back and play with it. Then, take a clip, one clip. Pull it a bit. Apply a bit of this funny foundation. It's okay. It's okay. Hide it a bit then. Do a little ear makeup. Sprinkle a bit of red here. Then, put on my clothes. Just like this. Our My Lad series makeup is complete. Wives, give it a like. Don't forget to bookmark it. Thank you for watching. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.